Most cyber attacks don't start with breaking into systems. They start with breaking trust. That's what social engineering is all about. Instead of targeting software, attackers target people. They use deception, persuasion, and timing to influence someone into taking an action, like clicking a link, sharing information, or approving a request. And it works more often than you might think. According to the Verizon 2025 Data Breach Investigations report, the human element is involved in over half of all security breaches. That means attackers are succeeding not because systems fail, but because people are manipulated. So what does social engineering actually look like in real life? Sometimes it's obvious, but often it's subtle. These messages aren't random. They're carefully designed scenarios. Today, attackers are increasingly using AI to generate more realistic messages, mimic writing styles, and personalize attacks at scale, making social engineering attempts harder to detect than ever before. Here are a few of the most common approaches. Impersonation, pretending to be someone you trust, like a manager or service provider. Urgency, creating pressure so you act quickly instead of thinking critically. Familiarity, using names, branding, or details that feel recognizable. Incentives, offering something enticing, like a free download. Trust building, starting with small, harmless questions to build credibility over time. While phishing emails are one of the most well-known examples, social engineering goes far beyond email. It can happen through phone calls, text messages, social media, or even in person. Social engineering is responsible for roughly 1/3 of successful cyber intrusions worldwide, making it one of the most widely used attack methods today. And the impact is real. In 2025, the FBI reported over 262 million stolen through account takeover scams, many of which started with phishing or social engineering messages. The key thing to understand is this: social engineering doesn't rely on technical skill. It relies on human behavior. That means anyone can be a target. In addition, social engineering works because it feels normal. It blends into daily tasks, routine requests, and familiar interactions. It doesn't always raise immediate red flags. That's why awareness matters. The more you recognize how these tactics work, the easier it becomes to pause, question, and verify before taking action.